Garlic is a powerful, natural antibiotic used for adding aroma to food and excellent taste, but it also comes with many health benefits. Yet, many of us do not know how to use garlic in the best way to recover from various diseases and obtain its many benefits. The list of these benefits goes on and is awestruck. Garlic is proven to help boost immunity, reduce high blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and more. Are you using garlic wrong? If you want to know how to get the most out of this powerful herb, then you've come to the right place. We'll show you how to unlock the hidden potential of garlic. From recipes to health tips, join us to learn about this miracle herb and its many benefits. With our videos, you'll be looking on your way to unlocking a new world of deliciousness and healthiness with garlic. Garlic is one of the oldest crops. It gives a hint of the Indian and Egyptian cultures too. It originated in Central Asia. Hard to believe, but these days about 10 million metric tons of garlic are produced worldwide. It is a powerful herb known for its miraculous powers to heal the human body. In the Hindu Vedic scriptures, it may be seen and considered as more than just food. It can treat some of the major disorders of the body. Garlic can deal with 3 types of microorganisms, that is, fungus, bacteria, and viruses. It does so with maximum strength and effectiveness. It is a rich source of a mineral called selenium, which is also known for its properties to fight cancer, and when combined with vitamin E, it gives out an antioxidant power too. Nowadays, its use as a medicinal herb is now immensely growing. According to ancient Ayurveda, garlic should only be eaten to treat diseases under proper guidance in a very specific manner, but eating it daily will surely hurt your brain and overall body. If taken for a daily purpose, it can severely damage your nervous system, further creating problems that are very difficult to recover from. Studies found that cooking garlic can significantly reduce the content of a compound found in it called allicin, which is known to reduce cholesterol levels in human beings and to thin blood and the most active substances within it. Therefore, the nutritional value of garlic decreases. Raw garlic is proven to be more beneficial than cooked garlic in any given case. However, it shouldn't be heated above 60 degrees Celsius to avoid the removal of allicin, which is an important compound in garlic. Since there are downside effects to consuming garlic, how should garlic be consumed so the downside effects can be avoided? Well, here's how you can. Garlic can be eaten by swallowing an entire clove on an empty stomach, as garlic doesn't affect the stomach negatively when consumed. It helps those suffering from acidity issues and infections in the colon by reducing pain significantly. The science behind solving acidity issues is the garlic clove, when swallowed, remains as it reaches the intestines. Since the intestine is the alkaline medium, the garlic disintegrates and the substances in it are released where the action takes place. It acts as an antiseptic for the intestines and protects them. As for the colon infections, garlic helps reduce inflammation and is an antioxidant, thus enhancing the function of the hormone cortisone, which acts as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Allicin is also known to help boost the immune system function and lower bad cholesterol. If taken as mashed or chewed, the first thing that takes place is a distinctive garlicky smell. This is due to the disintegration of the allicin compound, which reduces its usefulness to a great extent. However, it brings out several useful organic compounds of sulfur and antioxidants, which are emitted due to the circulation of blood and regulating the level of cholesterol and lowering triglycerides. Mashed garlic also cleans the liver of fat. It is therefore known to burn fat as well. Therefore, to obtain the required health benefits, we must determine how to take garlic properly. Now, some of you might be asking what the benefits of garlic are, so let's have a look at them one by one. Firstly, garlic is high in nutrients but very low in calories, and a single clove of raw garlic has only 4.5 calories. It also contains a good amount of several other nutrients, thus making it perfect for people who are looking for dietary meals. Second, garlic helps protect against illnesses, including the common cold. Garlic supplements are best known for boosting the function of the immune system. A study of 12 weeks found that daily use of garlic supplements can reduce a cold by 63%. It was also observed that the duration of cold symptoms was reduced by 70%. In another research, it was found that a high dose of aged garlic extract can reduce the time you are in weather with cold or flu by 61%. Third, it can reduce blood pressure. Heart diseases like heart attack and stroke have one common factor, which is high blood pressure or hypertension, and in studies, it was observed that 600 to 1500 milligrams of aged garlic extract is very much effective in reducing blood pressure. Fourth, it can improve cholesterol levels. People with high cholesterol can have garlic supplements to reduce the concentration of LDL cholesterol by 10 to 15. The fifth benefit is that it improves bone health. Though there have been no studies to prove this, recent studies have shown that it can minimize bone loss by increasing estrogen in females. It is also known to help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia in patients. Oxidative damage from free radicals helps dedicate the process of aging. It contains antioxidants supporting the body. Antioxidant enzymes are increased by high doses of garlic products. Its collective properties resonating with cholesterol and blood pressure reduce the risk of health issues like Alzheimer's and dementia. Garlic is said to have helped humans live longer. Providing its benefits on blood pressure, brain activity, and stomach issue prevention, it is proven that garlic helps people live longer. It helps destroy infectious substances in the body, and it also helps detoxify heavy metals in the body by reducing the lead levels in the blood by almost 19%. Everything about garlic is better. It is even easier to add the diet, adding to the flavor. But every good thing comes at a cost. Garlic contributes immensely to bad breath, heartburn cases, body odor, and more. It is even allergic to some, which is why some is advisable to consult a doctor before increasing the intake. It also has a record cases of increased risk of bleeding. In addition to those, they may interfere with the effectiveness of some drugs or dietary herbs too. Now, the question arises, how should garlic be consumed? Research has shown that 1 to 2 cloves per day may have many health benefits on the human body. It can be the answer to your seasonal health issues. Garlic is also a major part of the Indian food diet, making it easier for the Indian population to consume it on a regular basis. Winters can be the perfect time to consume garlic too. It is packed with antioxidants, hence reducing oxidative stress and helping repair the cell damage caused due to many reasons. It is packed with minerals, calcium, iron, copper, and more. It can also prove to be a great source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and phosphorus too, which gives it a boost to the immune system and gives inner strength to the body to fight the cold. Now, raw garlic does seem like an unbearable task. It is at this moment that a drink comes into the picture. Simply add 1 garlic pod to 1 cup of water to the pan. Boil the mixture and add 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon to it. Brew the mixture and add honey and maybe a little lemon juice. You have the perfect garlic tea ready, perfect for an evening drink. Another great way to include garlic in your diet is by making a garlic stew. For this, get ready with 1 chicken breast and cut it into cubes. Add butter, garlic cloves, minced garlic, onion, peppercorns, and parsley to a pressure cooker. Add water to the mixture, toss it for a minute, slow cook the stew, and pressure cook the stew. Wait for 3 to 4 whistles and serve hot with coriander leaves. Your perfect stew is ready to be scoured upon. The best time to have garlic is during the morning with some honey. It helps naturally treat infections and get rid of them. It is also proven to boost the weight loss process. Some of the do's with cooking garlic include roasting the garlic, which releases the sugars in it, giving it a rich caramel flavor. As well, you can eat it raw, as we've discussed briefly above. Don'ts about the same include burning it, which gives it an unpleasant and bitter taste which is not desirable, and overusing it so much that garlic is little too much in the recipe. And that will be all for today's video. Please wait for the next one, but until then, keep diving into the oceans of knowledge that is our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more similar videos, don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful, and tune in for the next one for better health.